This is the first coat that we are applying to the furniture here. These all are made of Sagwan, that we say as Sagwan wood. So this is the first coat of polish that goes in. So this is rather basically the base coat that we provide to the Sagwan wood furnitures. And you could see the wonderful lines. It looks so natural. And here we have the entire furniture work going on with veneers. That's veneers being applied on the furnitures. And these all are my brothers who work for us, for the company, day and night. Now we have the living room. This is the work going on for the false ceiling. We are working with gypsum boards here. And again we have the Sagwan wood cupboard here. Not yet got its first base. We have the false ceiling that's going on along with the carpentry work. And again here we have the veneer work that goes on. So again we have a different shade of a veneer that goes on here.